So problem number 10. A drum 700 mm in diameter and filled with water has a vertical pipe 20 mm in diameter attached to the top. So how many newtons of water must be poured into the pipe to exert a force of 65 newtons on the top of the drum? So ayan. So meron daw tayong drum. So ang diameter niya is equivalent to 700 mm. Then next, so yung drum daw at the top, meron siyang input na ang diameter is equivalent to 20 mm. So ayan, so dito magfo-flow yung water attached to the top. So how many newtons of water must be poured into the pipe to exert a force of 65 newtons on the top of the drum? So it means hahanapin daw natin yung weight in newtons para maka-exert tayo ng force equivalent to 65. So ibig sabihin nun, since ito mapupuno na yan yung drum natin, so hanap tayo ng height dito sa ating input or sa top part ng drum. So tawagin natin value of h. Then meron tayong exert na force or meron tayong exert na weight para magkaroon ng 65 na force. So ayan. Newtons. So for the force on the top, so we all know that stress is equivalent to P divided by A. So given yung force natin, then next, given ba yung pressure? So yung pressure is pwede natin ma-determine. So pressure or the stress. So to determine for the pressure, so S equivalent to P divided by A. So S is equivalent to P. So P natin is equivalent to 65 newtons divided by area, pi divided by 4 times D squared. So ano bang gagamitin natin dyan? So ang gagamitin natin dyan is parehas. Kukunin lang natin yung difference in diameter. So pi divided by 4 sa pi divided by 4, so sa malaki muna, so 700 squared, 0.7 squared minus sa maliit, so 0.02 squared. Ayan. So S is equivalent to so ito yung pressure natin. So pressure, so 65 divided pi over 4 times 0.7 squared minus 0.02 squared. So ayan. So ang pressure natin is equivalent to 16,903.71 unit. So Newton and meter. So Newton per meter squared siya, no? Newton per meter squared or equivalent to Pascal. Then next, so since meron na tayong pressure, so we all know that P is equivalent to gamma H. Tama? Where P is yung pressure, then H is itong height na to, yung na-attach sa top of the drum, and unit weight is given naman lagi. So for water, unit weight for water is 9810 Newton per cubic meters. So tama yan, di ba? So stress, so input lang natin 16,903.711 equivalent to gamma, so 9810. So wala na tayong times na specific gravity since specific gravity of water is 1 times height. So height is the unknown. So ilan yung ating H value? Divided by 9810. So H is equivalent to 1.723 meters. So ito daw is 1.723 meters. So to determine for the weight, so dito na natin lagay. So weight. So formula natin for weight, if given yung height, syempre kukunin natin yung volume. So weight is equivalent to unit weight times volume, or gamma is equivalent to weight divided by volume. Diba? Ang unit nito is kilonewton per cubic meters. So parang ito lang din yan. Weight divided by volume. So ayan. So kunin natin. So weight is equivalent to unit weight. So 9810 Newton per cubic meters times volume. So ano bang volume ng circle? So volume of a circle is pi divided by 4 times D squared. So D squared natin, syempre ito yung gagamitin natin. So 0.02 squared times H. So H H is equivalent to 1.723. So, ayan. So, ilan yung ating weight required? 9, 8, 10 times pi divided by 4 times 0.02 squared times 1.723. So, weight required is equivalent to 5.31 newtons. So, ang weight daw na kailangan natin para ma-exert tayo ng force equivalent to 6.5 is 5.31 newtons. So, that's all for problem number 10.